How to break a table in Google Docs. So a table is a grid of cells arranged into rows and columns. Tables can be customized and are useful for various tasks, like presenting text information and numerical data. So let's say we want to add a table right here. You just select this area, insert table, and let's go 3x4. Now, let's just put random numbers in here. So breaking a table also means splitting a table. So how you do this is you select the bottom rows, you click and drag them like this. Now this will leave over some other rows. So to delete these leftover cells, you can select them and delete 2 rows. Now what we've done here is we added a table and we've split a table. And that's how you break or split a table in Google Docs.